In this video, we will discuss about the list comprehension. We can use list comprehension to create a new list based on the values of an existing list. It is helpful to reduce the number of lines written. The syntax is: target list equals the source list based on certain conditions. For example, the target list will store only those values from the source list which are completely divisible by 2. The same thing if we had written using a normal way, it would be 4 to 5 lines of code. Let's test the list comprehension using a program. Let's test the list comprehension using a program. 2 lists are created. The first list name is list number, which contains 6 numbers. The second list, named list number 1, is an empty string. We will write a program to copy all the elements from list number to list number 1 where the items are completely divisible by 2. First, we will use the for loop. A for loop is declared with the list. If statement is added to check if the list is divisible by 2 or not using the mod operator. If divisible by 2, then that element will be appended to the second list named list number 1. Print statement is added to print both the list elements. When executed, we can see that the second list contains only values divisible by 2. The number 99 and 45 are not divisible by 2, so they are not included in the second list. However, the code written for this consists of 3 lines. Now let's rewrite it again using list comprehension. So, we can see that using the list comprehension the code is written in just 1 line instead of 3 lines used previously. When executed, we can see the same result as with the previous for loop. So, we can use it to reduce the number of lines written as part of code.